Alright, as industrial workers dealing with heavy-duty machinery, we know how crucial it is to have comfortable and ultralight work pants, especially for the toughest jobs. Every man wants to have pants that allow them to stretch their legs and thighs, and especially prevent them from overly sweating. Recently, we decided it's time to add some new workout fits to our gear. So, we've got some pants from Duluth Trading Co. We absolutely are smitten by the men's DuluthFlex Fire Hose, HD Standard Fit Cargo Pants. Well, the DuluthFlex Fire Hose fabric, abrasion resistance, fend-off finish, and multiple functional slanted pockets really convinced us to give it a try. So, in this video, we're here to give you the lowdown on the men's DuluthFlex Fire Hose HD Standard Fit Cargo Pants and share our experience using them for 2 months in a grueling industrial environment. So, do these pants deserve a place in your wardrobe? Without further ado, let's stick around and find out. So here's the box that just came in, and let's unbox it first. Okay, as we can see, it feels sturdy yet flexible. We must say that it's an apt balance between softness and ruggedness that looks cool at its first touch. And we have noticed, it's already pre-washed, seems pretty nice. Okay, the pockets are well placed and seem very handy. The waistband also looks perfect. The triple-stitched seams look fashionable and durable. Alright, now it's time to wear it and see if it fits or not. It feels truly lightweight, better than average fit and comfortable. As it was the first time, we felt pretty cool and easy to move. But that won't suffice just to wear it in a personal setting. Herefore, we would want to test it for its practical uses on the job site, because this is where most pants fail. So, as you can see, we are on the job site now. We'll go through our regular heavy-duty job and different actions, and observe how it feels while working. Before beginning our task, we thought of checking something wild intentionally. Yep, we're going to check if it really is water resistant or not. Here, demonstrate throwing some mud on the pants. Wow! As expected, it truly is. We workers know how big a deal it is. The first thing we noticed about these pants is their incredible durability. Made from an 8-ounce and fire hose cotton canvas with 3% spandex, these pants felt 4 times more abrasion resistant than regular cotton canvas. And they are capable of withstanding the rigors of tough job sites, like crawling under machinery or climbing ladders. Also, we felt the fabric's blend offered just the right amount of stretch. No matter how much you bend or move, as per the requirement of your work in the factory in particular, this pant seems to make your job way more tractable. We know comfort matters the most when we're on our feet all day, and the DuluthFlex Fire Hose Pants delivered it as promised. One of the obstacles any person faces upon wearing pants for the first time is the way it molds to the shape you feel comfortable. Luckily, they came pre-washed for a broken-in feel from day one, hence no fear of getting it shrinked once washed after a purchase. It eliminates the stiff, uncomfortable break-in period typical of many work pants. Most importantly, it felt very refreshing in the heavy job for its ventilation feature in the fabric. And the hidden crotch gusset added extra room in the crotch area, hence no more need of pinching to let out the pants to avoid the discomfort for narrow space. So, in this case, we must say it's a win-win for us. One of the biggest issues with pants is that when they are comfortable and durable, they often lack functionality, or it's the other way around. But the bright side of these pants is that they maintain the balance of convenient functionality and comfort thanks to Duluth. Despite this, the extra deep front pockets were perfect for carrying heavy tools, and the 3-in-1 mid-leg utility pockets and tuckable back pocket flaps offered additional storage options. We could easily keep all our essential tools and gadgets within easy reach to make workflow smoother and more efficient. Another significant advantage of these pants was the fend-off finish fabric treatment. Since the first day of our experiment, it was delivering our job perfectly. It repelled water and stains, which gave an advantage at the muddy job sites, or in situations where spills are common. This feature kept the pants looking cleaner for longer, reducing the need for frequent washing and helping them maintain a professional appearance. Okay, it was a big concern that it was very comfortable and functional, if it could sustain or not. Yet, the triple-stitched seams ensured these pants were built to last, and its most commendable performance was 350% greater rip resistance. Before ordering it, we went through some feedback from the customers. These feedbacks were swarmed with some positive and negative experiences. Yet, we thought to give it a try as it seemed appealing, at least to us. By the way, the negative experiences can vary from person to person. Now, in our experience, we must say it was a good deal at this price point. And in some cases, it was top of the all, like the DuluthFlex fire hose fabric, water and strain resistance, and well-placed pockets. It was better than average in terms of its fitting and waistband. At this price, we expected better than standard fit, but anyway, it wasn't a big issue. In fact, at this price, we can expect something above standard that provides more attention on the fitting. We believe Duluth will fix this bug. Conversely, the most sophisticated part about this pant was its flexibility provided by the spandex blend. It allowed for unrestricted movement, which is crucial when navigating tight spaces or performing tasks that require agility. Also, the comfort factor can't be overstated. Wearing these pants felt like a second skin and felt refreshing for its ventilation feature in fabric, even during long shifts. Despite frequent exposure to rough surfaces and heavy materials, the pants had held up remarkably well. In addition, the fend-off finish has proven its effectiveness by keeping the pants clean and dry, even in situations that would normally lead to stains and moisture buildup. Having all necessary tools and accessories easily accessible had streamlined our workflow, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. In our opinion, the men's DuluthFlex Fire Hose HD Standard Fit Cargo Pants offered a compelling combination of durability, flexibility, and comfort that was hard to beat. While there were some minor fit issues, and they came at a higher price point, the benefits far outweigh these drawbacks. We felt these pants were a better investment for us working in demanding environments, providing the reliability and performance needed to tackle any job with confidence. So, we must recommend it if you're looking for work pants that are durable, crafty for heavy-duty jobs, and most importantly, comfortable. If you're interested in these pants, we'll put the link in the description for more information. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you find this review helpful. Work safe and see you in the next video.